The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a system of interrelated, internet-connected objects that are able to collect and transfer data over a wireless network without human intervention. The personal and business possibilities are endless.
Why is IoT important? It is possible to monitor the performance of all employees as well as improve operations ALL locations. It can deliver large amount of data in real time. Smart home. Smart home clearly stands out, ranking as highest Internet of Things application on all measured channels, wearables. Smart city. Smart grids. Industrial internet.
Wearables are an integral part of the Internet of Things. We at Fugenxa Technologies develop highly functional wearable apps for IoT that can be compatible for instant interoperability, profile management, data collection, notifications, security, and many other features and functionality. Purpose of IoT. The main purpose of IoT is to create an ecosystem that connects everything. An ecosystem where everything is connected to each other is known as the Internet of Everything. In case of an IoT ecosystem, the entity can use a remote, tablets, smartphones, for sending a command or request for information. The Internet of Things, IoT, offers new opportunities for cities to use data to manage traffic, cut pollution, make better use of infrastructure and keep citizens safe. To help cities make the most of the digital opportunities, Nokia has launched IoT for Smart Cities, a fully integrated, the industry's most comprehensive E2E connectivity portfolio across radio, licensed, unlicensed, core and transport brings the connected smart city to life. The fully integrated Nokia approach brings unified management for smart city operations, enables quick launch of new services and facilitates cross-app analytics and automated actions. The new Internet of Things, IoT, applications are enabling smart city initiatives worldwide. It provides the ability to remotely monitor, manage and control. When artificial intelligence is added to the Internet of Things, it means that those devices can analyze data and make decisions and act on that data without involvement by humans. The Internet of Robotic Things, IoT, is an emerging paradigm that brings together autonomous robotic systems with the Internet of Things, IoT, vision of connected sensors and smart. The IoT market in India is poised to reach $15 billion by 2020, accounting for nearly 5% of the total global market. IoT, in the context of traffic management, refers to smart, connected devices like sensors, vehicle-mounted information systems, and even private mobile phones. These devices transfer information via the Internet to a central system for analysis. New business opportunities. New capabilities to predict and act. Improve monitoring. Increase customer dialogue. Fine-tune services and products. New revenue streams. New business opportunities. IoT can provide IoT hardware. 1 Raspberry Pi. 2. Arduino. 3 ESP. 4 BeagleBone.
A mouse or a keyboard. That's what these USB ports are for. Oh, wait! There's also an HDMI port for a display. You can use a monitor or even your family TV. And this is an Ethernet port, so you can connect to the internet. Your Raspberry Pi even has a connector for a special camera module. It can hook up to lots of other devices if you use a USB hub too. So now we've had a look around the Raspberry Pi, let's get set up. First, you're going to need a screen. This can be connected with an HDMI or analog cable depending on the kind of display you're using. Next, a USB mouse and keyboard. A micro USB power supply, like one you'd use to charge your mobile phone, and an Ethernet cable to get online. The operating system runs from a micro SD card. just like the one in your digital camera. You can download your operating system for free from the Raspberry Pi website. If you want to get started even quicker, you can buy a noob's card which comes preloaded with a choice of operating system for everyone, from beginners to experts. And there you have it. Your shiny new Raspberry Pi is ready for you to boot up and start doing fantastic things. Build an arcade machine. Make a robot. Create music. Fly a drone. Or send your Pi.
Hi everybody! Today we're here to introduce a new and exciting Arduino product, the Arduino Wi-Fi Red 2. It's an improved and much improved version of the Arduino Uno Wi-Fi. It features the Atmega 4809, which has 48 kilobytes of flash, and it's a more powerful processor compared to the old 8-bit Arduinos. It's got an ESP32 based Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module with a completely open source firmware. It's got a 6-axis IMU accelerometer gyroscope, all in a package that's all compatible with the classic Arduino software. So you can easily port your existing code to a much more powerful and more open source board, because also all the firmware on the board is open source. It's going to be available from June 15 from our store and later on from our distributors. I hope you enjoy this product. It's very exciting. It's going to be great. You just check it out.
NodeMCU is a low-cost, open-source IoT platform. It initially included firmware which runs on the ESP8266 Wi-Fi SoC from Espressif Systems, and hardware which was based on the ESP12 module. Later, support for the ESP3230
new types of communication systems, personal robotic devices.